Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can zoom on CapCut PC. Now I'm not sure what it means, what it's meant by the question when it's asking how you can zoom on CapCut PC. So I'm going to be showing two ways that I see, that I interpret the wordings of like how you can zoom on CapCut PC. So the first thing I can do is if you just want to observe a part of your editing and you just want to zoom without really changing anything to the video, you just head over here, you click on zoom, and you just start zooming. And you can even use this small screen here. You can move which part of the video you want to see, you want to zoom on. You can just do just that, just like that. And you can even just click on it till you get the part that you want to see. So yeah, that's how you zoom. Another thing you can do, if you say you want to zoom like an animation, you could do it like this. You start off from the beginning, of course, and then you go here to basic, video basic, and then scale, and as position. You need to click on this one to add a keyframe and add a keyframe for this one as well. Now let's move to a part of video you want to zoom on, and then just do is increase scale to the part of the video you want to zoom on. You can even adjust the position of it like that. You want to zoom to this part. So what ends up happening is that it will zoom to that part. So that's two ways I interpret how to add zoom on CapCut PC. So that 2 plus 1 stone. Maybe it will answer the question. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.